How to fix the like option not showing on your Instagram note. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. So if you are just posting or seeing anybody's note and then there is no like option visible right here, you can send the messages and send the sticker, but you cannot send a like message on like option on the Instagram. Then how you can solve this very problem is you should go on the App Store if you are an iPhone user, or you can go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. After going to the respective Play Store or App Store, just search for the very Instagram right here. After searching for the Instagram, just tap on the very update option available, which is on just the open option. If there is not open an update option on there, then you can simply update it, because this is a recent feature of Instagram. If you don't update this very version, then you cannot use this very feature. So after you update the latest version of Instagram on your device, you can simply open your Instagram after that and then refresh your Instagram and then see that now you can send the messages. If you cannot still send it, then you can simply go to the report a problem option, state your problem, and then Instagram might send you a message after few hours to few days stating a solution for your problem, and this might solve your problem. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.